I just got this really cute dog collar from my dog Biscuit. It's really well made, and it comes in several different colors. I chose blue, and you can tell it's just really bright and pretty, really good stitching, really well made. It's gonna hold up for a long time. It's got his name and my phone number right on the collar, which I really like. So if, God forbid, he ever got lost or something, he has a collar on and people can call me, and it's not like, you know, just a little charm or something on the collar. It's actually on the collar itself. So I know, you know, it's not gonna get worn off, it's not gonna fall off. Makes me feel very confident. He loves it. It's really comfortable. It's really easy to take on and off. And he is a size extra small, in case you're wondering. He's about 8 pounds. And it fits him perfectly. He looks super cute. Don't you, Biscuit? See?